My name is Thomas Cutie with Reliable Pumps. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble one of our pumps. You would do this if you had to change the valves, the packing, or you wanted to raise the pressure or lower the pressure with a plunger kit. So let's start. First, you break loose the discharge plugs. And then remove it. Next, go ahead, grab your removal tool. Then we're going to take out the discharge valve stop. Next, you're going to remove the discharge valve. Can't get your hands in there, just use a needle nose plier. Then we're going to take out the valve assembly and the suction valve guide all at once. So just stick it through the valve assembly and it's going to screw into the suction valve guide. This is the suction valve guide. Valve assembly. We're done on this side of the pump. Let's go to the other side of the pump. That's going to break the Colet Nut loose. Then we're going to push the plunger out. On the older pumps, this plunger might be tough to get out. What you'll do, push out as much as you can. If it stops, you have to put a bolt or something in here and then press it out with the shiv on the pump. You just kind of press it all out. And this is a new pump, so we can do this one by hand. Once it pops out, you'll feel it pop past the packing and you know it's free. I'm going to break the Gland Nut loose. Next, we're going to press out the brass and packing. All you need to do that is just a piece of brass, really anything aluminum. You can even use steel, but you've got to be careful because it'll hang up the brass. So let's go ahead and press it out. Just get on the edge and just push. The older pumps you probably have to do it with a hammer. Landing ring, packing ring, so now the pump, well this cylinder on the pump is empty, so you can go ahead and if you got your new parts, you can put in your new parts. If you're just replacing the packing, you can go ahead and just replace the packing. or if you're doing changing the plunger size, you know, just start replacing everything. So all this is new, so we're just gonna put it all back together the same way, but it's all the same. Rope bushing. There we go. Spring. Front packing ring. And you want to do the packing in 3 different pieces. You'll never get it in one piece. So first piece. Second piece. Third piece. On the smaller pumps, this will be in 2 pieces, the rear bushing and our landing ring. But on the bigger pumps, it's all incorporated in one. So just keep that in mind if you got a smaller pump. This will actually be 2 pieces, rear bushing and a landing ring. Now you want to make sure you still got enough anti-seize on there. If not, you'll have to add some more, but this one still has a lot on there, so I'm not going to put any more. You want to screw your gland nut in? Hey, if you don't have enough anti-seize in there, the gland nut will ball up on you. And you don't want that, because then you got to get the stuff and buy it machined or buy a new one. Now we're going to put the plunger back in. Go ahead and take your collet nut, screw it back until it stops, and then just break it back like a quarter, half turn. Go ahead and get your plunger. If it's new packing, you probably need to put a lubrication on it. WD-40 is fine, anything oil, grease. Go ahead and line it in. Push it through. Then you get your bar, you push out the brass. Sometimes it'll go past the packing, like that just did. If not, you'll have to tap on it with a hammer. Just push all the way in until you hear metal, metal. Sitting up inside the plunger dasher, so that's good. Then we can come back around. And just tighten up on the collet nut. And that's it from here. I'll put the front back together. Slide the valve assembly on there, on the tool, the spring, the suction valve guide. You're just gonna tap it in until you hear metal to metal. That's it. Put your discharge valve in. Goes in the center hole, melts in. And your discharge valve stop. If you just need to change the valves, all you do is just take the front apart. You don't have to do that. Your discharge plug.
That needs FICs too.
Yeah. This is NSCs too. If you take your pump apart, there's not enough on there, just go ahead and spawn. That's it. All you would do is repeat 2 more times, and you're done. Just make sure you have enough anti-seize and all the stainless parts that screw with the stainless. The stainless likes to weld itself together and all the heat. So just make sure you got enough anti-seize on there, because that's a headache. These go up, you have to take the whole head off and get it machined out or buy a new head. It gets expensive.